How to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the messages icon on the top right of your screen and further open the conversation to whom you want to send disappearing photos and videos. You will then see the camera icon on the bottom left of your screen. Tap on that and then go ahead and take an image or the video that you want to send as disappearing photos or videos. Once you have the photo ready, tap on the allow replay option you see there and make sure that it is selected to view once. Now, tap on the send button and with this, the user will be able to view the photo only once, and this is how you can send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.